bought our first house in March of 2021. Then in September 2021, our house was destroyed by a tornado that came through the Annapolis, Maryland area. So our house needed to be totally knocked down and rebuilt from the ground up.
Back in September, our house was hit by a tornado, and it completely pushed our house about 15 to 16 feet off of the foundation and then like 5 feet to the left. I drove by and I was just, I guess, in like complete shock. I was really worried about my animals that were inside, wanting them to be okay more than anything. And then after we kind of digested, it was really devastating, very, very sad and emotional thing to have to go through.
You are trying to focus on what needs to be done first, but there's so much going on. So we were displaced from our house for about 6 months or so. And the hardest part is just those first couple weeks when you're trying to get everything in order. You've just lost your house and all your belongings, and you're just trying to figure out what to do first.
The sad part of the process for me when moving back in and putting some things away, realizing I don't have certain memories from my childhood that I had just held on to for some time.
I love being able to help people when they're in their worst time of need. Something such as tragic as a fire loss like this is something very unexpected that families unfortunately have to deal with from time to time. And just the fact that we're able to provide the services that we do to come help them out in their time of need is what I live to do, and I love doing it every day.
It's not something that we just come around and we sell you something. It's at your time of need that we come in and we play the part of making you feel that someone has got your back.
As we're going through the process of our house being rebuilt, the team with Bylt that we were working with, every week they let us know what had been done that week and what was going to be done the next week. I think the biggest thing is that we felt like we were getting back to our life because we were displaced for 6 months. It's not our own house, not our own furniture, but then to get back in our house, especially so quickly, it felt like we were just picking up where we left off.
Had it not been for Bylt, I don't know where we would have stood in this process. I mean, our neighbors 2 doors down are still waiting for windows for their house. It's incredible to me. So I'm very grateful that although the situation is not optimal, obviously you don't want to lose your whole house, but having Bylt there to help us negate the process really made us feel secure with coming back into our house.